Alright, what is going on, everyone? So today, I'm getting into another unboxing video that's 2 days in a row of unboxings. Something I've never done before, as you guys can probably tell. All my items are suddenly coming in now, right at the moment. Like, there's packages coming in. So I decided, I might as well do another unboxing video. And I think you guys will enjoy this video. I have a lot of really cool things to unbox, or 2 items, very, very nice items. I think you guys are gonna really enjoy this. So if you do enjoy this video, go ahead, subscribe below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys would do that. These are the kind of videos I do. So if that really appeals to you, you guys enjoy that, go ahead and do that. And another thing you guys can do is go ahead, drop a like in this video. Let's see if we can get 200 likes. I'd appreciate it if you could hit that like goal. But anyways, I'm getting straight into this video. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and let's get started. Okay, so first item I have to unbox for y'all. I've already opened it up a bit, just to see and check it. And I've decided that it's a legitimate item, and I'm pretty excited that I got this item. So it is a used Gucci belt, as you guys can probably see here. There you guys go. I did a couple checks on this, and it's a really nice item. I'm definitely gonna wear it and use it. And as you guys can see, I got this for $150, so really, really good deal there. And the reason I did is because, first of all, you got the tailored hole right here. You guys can probably see that. And then also, you guys can see there's probably a couple of other errors on it. Like, you guys can see some of it. It's like, you probably can't notice it, but like, there's a couple dents on it. So it's a bit beat, but that's the reason I got it for such a good price. And the guy said, nobody was buying it. I wasn't sketchy with like that at all, like whatsoever, because like I did checks. It was legitimate. He was very quick to communicate, so it's a legitimate belt, and I'm definitely going to be wearing this. I probably worded it weird when I was just talking about that, but when he said nobody's buying it, he says it was like tailored here, as you guys can see, and nobody just wants that extra hole right there. So I just decided to get it, and when I actually put it on, it's like completely tailored to my size, so that's really convenient right there. And I'm glad I was able to get this belt, and I'm pretty excited. It's my first really real designer product I have, so I'm definitely going to wear it a lot, and I plan to cop more in the future. Definitely my first item right there is this Gucci belt. And the second item is this giant package right here. Now, this is one of the biggest packages I've ever had from Supreme, and you guys already probably know what the item is. This is the Supreme sled. So I'm really just we're gonna move the camera and I'm unboxing for y'all. So let's get into that. Okay, so as you guys see, we're gonna have to unbox it from the camera being a bit far away, and then I'm gonna unbox it right here. So first things first, when it came in, I assumed one of my family members had already opened it, because it does have a rip here, as you guys can see. Been around a lot, but right there, huge rip. So hopefully this isn't damaged. I would hope it wasn't damaged in shipping, because that'd be sort of upsetting, and there isn't much I can do about that. So I'm just gonna rip it open right here, and I'm gonna show you guys the Supreme sled. So here we are, as you guys can see. Just had to put that box out of the way. We got the Supreme sled right here, and I'm glad that they wrapped it so it could protect it, from anything else. But I do notice a couple things. I mean, a couple scratch marks, but nothing big. You guys may be able to see. It's like one right up there. You probably won't be able to notice it. But I love how, they have the lettering all along the sled right here, and it actually looks pretty nice. Personally, I don't know if it's gonna snow in Charlotte. It's been really cold lately, and I might get lucky and might actually be able to make a video using this, something like a cool vlog. I think it'd be a lot of fun to make, but I don't know. We'll have to see on that. But right here, you guys can see, I'm just gonna stand up for y'all. We got the lettering. Look at that. That's just really, really clean, nicely done. And it is like a heavy plastic material, but there really isn't any errors. Probably definitely gonna go in the personal collection. That's what I think. And if there was snow outside, I would go out there and I'd do something funny. But then again, it's Charlotte right now. It's just cold. It's like 20 degrees, and there's no snow whatsoever. Like, we're not gonna get any snow, probably just rain. So there we go. Supreme sled. Next item decided to unbox here, and I'm pretty excited. Leave suggestions down below on where I should put this. I've been asking a lot of suggestions lately, and I do sort of apologize. I'm gonna let you guys decide where this goes. I do have space. I mean, we can find out somewhere where it'd go, whether it be sitting up vertical like this, or whether it be hanged up on the wall. Whatever it is, you guys can decide that down below. Anyway, so thank you all for watching this video. I really do appreciate you guys watch this other unboxing video. But it's fun. I'm glad I was able to make 2 of these in a row, 2 days in a row, staying consistent on the content as usual, and bringing you guys good content almost every single day. That's my whole objective and goal. So if you are new and do enjoy this sort of content, road to 10K, so be sure you guys do go ahead and subscribe below. I'd really appreciate if you guys would do that. And another thing you guys to do, drop a like in this video if you guys want more unboxing videos. Let's see if we can get 200 likes in this video. That'd be a great goal. I appreciate you guys' constant support lately. I've had a lot of stuff going on between media and outside stuff, and I really do appreciate how much support you guys have shown. But anyways, thank you all for watching this video, and peace out.